Alright, so now we're moving on to Tuesday. Notice the correct heading on my paper. That makes Ms. Price happy. Remember again, most of your work is done. So first thing on our help pages, it says to find the simple subject. We know it's going to be a noun, and it's who or what does the verb. So we've already found the verbs too. So up here, passed was a verb, so you just have to ask yourself, who passed the tree in safety? He did. That's a subject. And then we had another verb, lay. So who or what lay before him? The perils did, right? So that is another subject. Okay, there we go, done. Now we need to look at the simple predicate or the verb, and we just need to know whether it's transitive or intransitive. So you have to ask yourself if it was done to something in the sentence. So we know this is a verb. He passed what? The tree. So that is transitive because he did pass something. And new perils what? Well, they lay before him, but they didn't exactly, he didn't, oh, I'm sorry, that's the verb. No wonder I'm confused. The verb is lay. So they lay what? No answer. So that is an intransitive verb. Then you go on to prepositional phrases. Well, we know that every prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with the OP. And the OP is what you find when you say preposition plus what. So, if in was a preposition, then a prepositional phrase begins there. In what? Safety. So that's your OP. Before was a preposition. Whoops, I don't need to label the preposition again. Before what? Him, so it ends there, and that's the OP. And so then we have to think about in safety. Does that answer an adjective question or an adverb question? It describes how he passed the tree, so that how is an adverb question, so this is an adverb prep phrase. Before him tells where the perils lay, so that's another adverb prep phrase. So now I know that I only had 2 prepositions on Monday, so I only have 2 prepositional phrases on Tuesday. So I go on, I've already done my object of the preposition. I go to my next page of my help pages, and I'm looking for complements. Direct objects and indirect objects follow action verbs. So, and predicate nominatives and adjectives follow linking verbs, which I did not have. So I've only got these 2. It's a noun or pronoun that's not in a prepositional phrase, follows an action verb. You say subject verb plus what to find it. He passed what? The tree. So tree is your direct object. Perils lay what? No answer. So there isn't one.
Mrs. Price, do you have all the band students?
Yeah.
Well, what I'm wondering is we probably need to send them down to the gymnasium for pictures because don't they have to leave at 11:30?
Yes.
And how about anybody else who has to leave at 11:30?
We'll go. Okay, sorry, there was an announcement from the thing. So we have those.
So maybe we should send them down to have their pictures done.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have no positives, so no positive phrases. A noun of direct address? No, they're not talking to anybody. Go ahead, I'll catch up with you in just a minute.
Oh no, don't.
Just everyone, if you have not had your picture taken, go get it taken now. I'll be right there. Sorry.
Can I go get my slip thing from my backpack?
So now I'm down to where I'm looking for the complete subject. I underline it once. Well, he is a complete subject of the first half of the sentence. And perils was of the second. And the new describes perils. This conjunction gets left out because it's not in either sentence. It's just combining them. The complete predicate we underlined twice. He passed is obviously part of it. The tree is what he passed. And we already said that in safety describes how he passed. So that's all underlined twice. And lay before him. Before him is where he lays. And so we have, notice that I underlined one complete subject and one complete subject, one complete predicate and one complete predicate. These are separate sentences that are combined. So you do them separately. And now I'm ready for Wednesday, so